My next ingredient has arrived. You myself no longer deprive your youth and flesh the only price to ensure me of eternal life.
Okay, here's the box. It's got item number, just the outline so you know what's in the box for storage. There's a little rip there, but it's very thick compared to most boxes. Like, this is just a generic Party City prop. Cardboard's ripping, and this is almost brand new. This is perfectly fine, and it even has these little things around the corners to keep the box from denting or caving in or anything. So the packaging's nice, and the actual prop is really